So if you have 54 ounces and you want to get that over here to grams, how do you do that? Well, first you need to know that 1 ounce is 28.35 grams. We call that a conversion factor. And you need it when you're going from ounces to grams. So we've got 54 ounces. We're going ounces to grams. We're going to multiply by 28.35. That looks like this. And remember, 1 ounce, that's 28.35 grams. So it's 28.35 grams per ounce. That's why we use this conversion factor here. But now we multiply, we have ounces on top and the bottom, they cancel out. We're left with grams, and that's what we're looking for. So 54 times 28.35, that gives us 1,530.9. And the units, that's the grams right there. And that's how you do it. This is Dr. B converting 54 ounces to grams. If you went from grams to ounces, you could just divide by 28.35. Thanks for watching.